Are you invested in M1 Finance and starting to wonder if it's still the best platform for your money in 2026? I've been using M1 for years, and while I still appreciate its automatic investing and custom pies feature, the financial landscape has changed drastically. Brokerages are constantly innovating, and new features like advanced tax strategies and better financial planning tools are making M1 look less competitive, especially as my portfolio has grown. So, if you're like me and looking for platforms that offer more, maybe more human advice, better trading hours, or more advanced portfolio features, what are the top alternatives to M1 Finance in 2026? Let's break down the three main competitors that, based on my research and experience, offer a compelling alternative to M1, particularly for the long-term, passive investor. 1. Betterment, the automated investing veteran. If you want M1's automation but with a much smarter tax strategy, Betterment is your answer. My experience with M1 showed me that it lacks tax loss harvesting, which is a powerful tool for large, taxable brokerage accounts. Betterment excels here. They offer daily tax loss harvesting, which automatically sells investments at a loss to offset gains, saving you money on taxes every year. This alone can often cover their 0.25% annual management fee. Betterment is a pure robo-advisor. You answer a questionnaire, and they manage the portfolio for you with a focus on goals like retirement or a down payment. If you want a truly set-it-and-forget-it platform that is optimized for tax efficiency, Betterment is the clear winner over M1. 2. Wealthfront, for advanced automation and financial planning. Wealthfront, like Betterment, is a premium robo-advisor, but it takes automation to the next level. Wealthfront's standout feature is its powerful digital financial planner called Path. It can connect to all your external accounts, checking, savings, even a mortgage, and project your retirement and other major goals right on the dashboard. M1's goal planning is minimal, but Wealthfront's is comprehensive. They also offer advanced strategies like direct indexing for larger accounts and daily tax loss harvesting, rivaling Betterment. For the investor with a higher balance who wants high-tech automation and a clear, big-picture view of their entire financial life, Wealthfront offers a sophistication that M1 simply doesn't. You'll pay a 0.25% management fee, but for the services you get, I find the value proposition compelling. 3. Fidelity, the comprehensive free alternative. For the investor who still likes control but wants access to more traditional brokerage features, Fidelity is the best all-around alternative. Why? Everything is free, and they are one of the most reputable institutions around. While M1 is known for its pies with fractional shares, Fidelity now offers its own version called Fidelity Baskets, allowing similar fractional share ownership and easy rebalancing. The biggest advantages over M1 are the flexibility and breadth of offerings. No trading windows, trade individual stocks and ETFs all day long. More products, access to options, mutual funds, including their own zero-expense ratio funds, and a full suite of accounts like 529s. World-class customer service, 24/7 phone support, which is often a critical factor that M1 users find lacking. If you like the idea of building your own portfolio like M1 but want better customer support, full-day trading, and a massive ecosystem of financial products, the modern Fidelity platform is a strong contender. Conclusion: which is the best for you? The best M1 alternative in 2026 depends entirely on what you prioritize. For the best tax savings and goal-based investing, look at Betterment. For the most advanced automation and holistic financial planning, look at Wealthfront. For a free, full-featured brokerage that still offers custom portfolios and fractional shares, look at Fidelity. M1 Finance still has its niche for those who like the simple pie interface and self-directed automation, but for long-term investors in 2026, the advanced features, tax optimization, and customer service offered by these three alternatives are difficult to ignore. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.